everyone, welcome to Max class. 8th standard, chapter 2 linear equation in one variable. In last section we learned definition with examples. This section we going to solve your exercise sums. So last section I told two methods. This section we going to follow only one method, that is transpose method. So first one, solve the following equation. So we have to solve the equation. Don't want to verify it. நம்ம வந்து வெரிஃபை பண்ணணும்னு நமக்கு மீனிங் கிடையாது. ஸோ சால்வ்னு கொடுத்துட்டா யூ ஜஸ்ட் ஃபைண்ட் யர் எக்ஸ் வேல்யூ. ஸோ வெரிஃபை ஃபைண்ட் யர் சொல்யூஷன் இஃப் தே ஆஸ்க் மீன்ஸ் யூ டெஃபினெட்லி ஹாவ் டு LHS RHS is equal to, you have to find it. So before we go into this section, I want to recall you. LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So I just remember your symbol. So if it is in left hand side minus symbol, right hand side it will come plus sign. If it is plus, the right hand side will minus. If it is multiplication, this side divide. Like it is number, it will be reciprocal 2 by 1. So let's go to first sum. X minus 2 equals 7. So x minus 2 equals 7. What we know is x value. So I just want a x. So I keep it, x is as it is on left side. Then right side is 7. If minus 2 is come to right side, it will be changed to minus 2 change to plus 2. So x value equal 7 plus 2. So 7 plus 2, 9. So x value is 9. So next sum we going to see y plus 3 equal to 10. So what we want is y value. So I take y as it is. So 10. If the 3 go to right hand side, here is plus 3, then here is minus 3. So y equal 10 minus 3. What is 10 minus 3? 7. So y value is 7. So next one is third sum. Here I want to find your z value. So I take right hand side z. So I remaining everything I taken come left side. So 6. If the plus 2 come to left side, it will be changed into minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. The biggest symbol is plus sign. So here is plus equal to z. So z value is 4. So next we going to fourth sum. So fourth sum, as I want is x value. So I take it LHS side x. The remaining we have to transport to right hand side. So 17 by 7. Here is plus. So plus 3 by 7 come to right hand side. It will be minus 3 by 7. So x equal, denominator is same. So we have to write denominator is 7. We can add, denominator is same. We can add a numerator. So 17 minus 3. So x equal to 17 minus 3. So 17 minus 3 you have to find. Just you have to find here. 7 minus 3 is 4. So 14 by 7. So 14 by 7 is same table. Which table? 7 table. So just cancel it. 1 7 is 7. 7 2s are 14. So 2 by 1 we find a x value. 2 equal x equal 2. So next we going to fifth sum. 6 x equal 2. So we just want a x. So I take it a x equal 12. Here it is multiplication. It will become this side is divide. So multiplication left hand side and the right hand side vanda adu enna aidum divide agum. It is in 6 table. 1 6 is 6. 6 2s are 12. So x equal 2 by 1. We just take x equal to 2. So next sixth question, t by 5 equal 10. So t by 5 equal 10. I want t value only. So take t equal 10. So here it is and divide, it will become right hand side is multiplication. So 10 multiple 5 is 15. Fine. So t equal 50. So next seventh sum, you just separate and take it. So 2 by 3 multiple x. So 2x by 3, 2 by 3 multiple x we have to write. Then equal sign 18. So I want x value only. So I take x equal to 18. Here it is an multiplication. It will become reciprocal. So 2 by 3 come to right side is 3 by 2. Fine. You can cancel it. 1, 2 is 2. How many 2s are 19? 18. 9 2s are 18. So 9 multiple 3 by 1. So we just write is 9 3s are 27. So x value is 27. Then here it is a decimal. 1.6 equal y by 1.5. So if it is a decimal, we can write like this. So if it is in 5 by 10, we will write 0.5. Yes, we can write in decimal. If it is in 1.6, we can write it 16 by 10. So same method we use here. I just change into rational numbers. So 16 by 10. 1.6 என்னவா change பண்ணிக்கலாம் 16 by 10 equal y. 1.5 எப்படி change பண்ணலாம் 10 by 15. So இங்கே இருக்கிறதுனால இங்கே 10 இருக்குது. ஸோ 15ல் வந்து 1.5 சேஞ்ச் பண்ணால above 10 வந்திருக்கலாம். ஏன்னா நம்ம இங்கே 10 போட்டால் இது ரெசிப்ரோக்கில் போகும்போது மேலே தான் வரும். ஸோ யூ ஜஸ்ட் கேன்சல் இட். இட் இஸ் அன் 5 டேபிள். 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So we want us 16 by 10. So 2 by 3 will come at left side. Reciprocally change. 3 by 2 equal remaining is y. You just cancel it. 1 2 is 2. How many 2s are 16? 8. So 8 3s are 24 divided 10 equal y. So we can change it in decimal. So question is in decimal, you should write in decimal. So we can write it 2.4 equal to y. Therefore y value is 2.4. So next we going to ninth sum. 7x minus 9 equals 16. As it is, we want first x variable only. So 16 minus 9, it will come right side, plus 9. So 7x, you have to add its 9, 10, 20, 25. So x equal 25. Here is multiple, then it is divide. So we can't change it, so keep it as it is. So next, 14y minus 8 equal 13. So first we y variable take it. 13. Here is minus 8. It will be changed plus 8. So we can add it. 13, 21. So 14y equal 21. We want y only. So take it as y. So 21. The 14 is multiple here. It will come to divided. So it is cancelled by 7 table. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So answer is 3 by 2. The next we going to 11th sum. So we want is p variable value. So we take its p. 6p equal 9. Here is plus 17. It will be changing minus 17 in right hand side. So 6p equal, we have to subtract it. So if it is subtract means 10 minus 9 1, 1 plus 7 8. So it is an greatest number sign is minus, so you should use it minus sign. So p equal minus 8, it is multiple, it will come divided. So 8 and 6, which table will Cancel it. 2 table. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. So P value is minus 4 by 3. Fine. So next 12th question. X by 3 plus 1 equals 7 by 15. So we want x value only. So first x value take as it is 7 by 15 plus 1 will change into right hand side minus 1. So we have to simplify it. So I want same 15 as a denominator. So we should easily cross multiply it. So 17 15s are minus 15. So denominator is 15. So if we change means we cancel it as 1, it will 7 by 15. The value is never change. So we have to subtract it. 15 minus 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Therefore 8 by 15. Biggest number is minus. So it is 8 by 15. Here x by 3. Here x by 3. So I want x value only. Here is divide. It will be changed into multiplication. So x equal minus 8 by 15. It will be changed in multiplication. So 3 by 1 or 3 you will take it. So next you just cancel it. 3 15. 1 3 is 3. 5 3 is 15. So answer is minus 8 by 5. So the far we see exercise 1.2.1. So you should copy this in your far work. Thank you students. We will see in next video section.